हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे गुड हैबिट्स के बारे में। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग। ब्रश योर टीथ ट्वाइस अ डे। वॉश योर हैंड बिफोर एंड आफ्टर ईटिंग। Eat fruits and vegetables. Don't eat junk foods. Use dustbin for garbage or waste. Cover your mouth while coughing or sneezing. Say thank you when someone gives you something. Let's share with friends. Clean your surroundings. Help others. Say sorry when you hurt someone. Play with friends. Finish your work in time. Go to bed early. Drink lots of water. Take a bath daily. Eat healthy breakfast daily. Always respect your elders. Always wear clean clothes. Focus on class and listen to your teacher carefully. Always help your mother. Exercise regularly and keep yourself healthy and active. Keep nails short and trim them often. Take care of plants and water them regularly. Spend time with your family. Always finish your meal. Don't fight with friends. Keep your room clean daily. Never waste your food. अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करिए।